here we have a 1 terabyte SD card, even a 1 terabyte micro SD card by Lexar coming soon. So hi, so who are you?
My name is Joey Lopez. I'm the Senior Manager for Social Media Marketing.
And so these are future products, right?
Yes. So here we're just showing off some early prototypes of what's to come in 2019. We're also showcasing our Lexar professional line of cards and readers. Lexar, known for making CFast, CF, SD.
Yeah, these are the fast ones.
Yes, that is the 2000X SD card. UHS-2 with up to 300 megabytes read, 260 write. We also have a full line of micro SD cards as well.
And these are application cards right here, the A series.
Yes, this one is the A1 V30. Then we have the 1000X V60. And finally our 1800X V90.
And these terabytes are for later, or this is potentially next year?
Yes, we're planning on 2019. Again, just early prototypes. What's to come. Lexar is very dedicated on continuing to build quality solutions for photographers and videographers. And
there's a chance that it could also be a faster ones, right?
yes,
Potentially it could also be a 1000X with 1 terabyte.
yes. We're working on these right now, and more to come.
It's using the 3D memory system, right?
Sure.
So it's that's how you can scale to huge quantities, but it depends on the market, right? It might not be that cheap.
Sure. Yeah, so obviously we make solutions that our photographers and videographers are requesting. For example, a perfect example is the 2000X card. You make it in 128 capacity. You get half of the performance in the 1000X, but we double the capacity for those that want to shoot more photos, 4K video. And for those that are shooting lots and lots of stills, we have the 633, which is slower performing, but still professional grade and V30 class.
And as far as I heard, there might be a 512 coming here too, maybe next month. But this one is still limited to 128 for the super fast. Because it's not so easy to make a super fast, right? It's different.
It's possible to make them fast, and there's room to grow the capacities, but we want to find a nice area that's both available to be affordable for the customers.
Nice. So maybe you can grab these right here, and it's real.
Yeah.
It's a real micro SD, 1 terabyte. It's just amazing to hold this in my hand. And here's the other 1 terabyte.
It wasn't too long ago where we were holding 1 gigabyte, let alone 1 terabyte.
In an SD card. I really hope the smartphones are going to have dual or quad micro SD card slots.
Sure.
So you can have 4 terabyte in the phone.
Yes.
Would that be cool?
It's a possibility.
Okay, that'd be cool. What are you showing here?
Oh yeah. So here, your light went off. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Here is our professional workflow line of card readers. You have a HR1 and HR2. HR1 is USB 3.0. HR2 is for Thunderbolt. For Mac users, if you're using an Apple laptop or computer, you get to leverage the Thunderbolt speeds. We actually make a card reader for every card type.
So those are what's inside? Is it?
So these are different card readers. So here we have a card reader for every card form factor. So SD, CF, CFast, micro SD. So whatever type of photography you're shooting, we have a memory card for your photography needs.
And this is a professional workflow.
Yes.
Is the way to get the data the fastest into the computer, or?
Yes. So the cards, you obviously want a fast card when you're shooting, so that you're writing to the card fast. But you also want a fast card that's reading to your computer or laptop fast as well.
All right. And what are you showing around here?
We're very excited to announce the new Lexar NS 100 and 200.
Yeah.
These are our new internal SSDs. These were just announced yesterday here at Photokina. For any photographer, videographer, graphic designer, professional looking to increase their computer's performance, we have these as well, so that we not only make solutions for cards, readers, but now we want to create solutions such as SSDs, so that you're able to optimize and accelerate all your workflow.
So these are very fast performance.
Yeah, so here we have up to 550 read here, and then for the NS200, you have up to 550 read and 510 write.
All right. Cool.